Okay, for this today we're going to be making Nigerian jollof rice and beans. Yeah, what you need is rice, beans, pepper, and good to go. So now put the beans on fire while we're going to prep our vegetables. Now rice and beans is one of my family favorite meals. After cooking the beans, I added my washed rice to it. So we go ahead and blend our pepper. I used few tomatoes and all. As usual, I'll be dropping the ingredients in the comments in the description link. Now, after that, we sieve our rice and beans, cut our onions, and after cutting the onions, we go ahead and fry our oil. So fry with, I use palm oil for this, but you can use, vegetable oil or whatever oil you want to use. But for me, palm oil is my go-to for this meal. I'll make sure I fry my pepper very well. Then I'm going to generously season this. I added a little crayfish to this because this is like a way of me eating crayfish. I love crayfish, but there's some meals that you don't just want to add crayfish to. But this meal gives me that freedom to do that. So after frying this, I had a few goat meat, so I added it to the fried sauce, my pepper sauce. So go ahead and allow this to simmer for a few minutes. You don't want to leave it on high heat. It should just be between medium to low heat. Add your meat stock. Don't put too much if you don't want it to be mushy. So just be more careful when you add the meat stock to this. And if you don't have meat stock, you can use water. So you don't have to be, and protein is just flexible. Use flexible. Use whatever protein you're comfortable with. Now add your washed and parboiled rice and beans to your stew base. And after adding your rice and beans, do not use high heat. Just make sure your heat is at medium. Okay, so when it's a medium, you stir this properly and just allow everything to go in and mix in properly so they get to know each other. So the ingredients and everything will just circulate properly. So we're going to stir. After we stir, check if your seasoning, check if it's well seasoned, and you cover this and allow it to be on moderate heat, low to medium heat for about 10 minutes. If you've enjoyed this video to this point, don't forget to like, comment your favorite Nigerian jollof combo, and subscribe for more delicious Nigerian recipes.